We're in the money, finally. YouTube, we did it.
All right, so this video is coming from a monetized YouTube channel.
We're in the money, finally. YouTube, we did it.
Finally. How'd we do it?
Yeah, so I have always had this goal probably since 2019. I kind of like discovered YouTube in 2019. I never really used it. When I owned a gym, I wasn't on YouTube that much. When I got into this world, I think when I sold my gym, I was like, yeah, I got nothing better to do. I'm gonna start watching some YouTube videos, and that's how I learned videography. And so that's really like where I know you've been rocking this AirPod.
I just distracted. Yeah, my bad.
I discovered YouTube like in 2018, 2019 to use it to learn how to like film. And ever since then, I got like obsessed with, I want to be monetized. Me personally, I don't care if it makes like $5 a month. I just think it's so cool to create a video for free and someone else will pay you for you to make a video. That to me is like the coolest thing.
Yeah.
And I started a YouTube channel somewhere in that 2018, 2019 world. And I would post some, and then I'd stop because we have video clients that we post for. And then I'd post some and I'd stop. And then we decided last year, we were like, you know what? We're going to use our YouTube channel as a test. We're going to kind of play with it and like test things. And so we tested YouTube shorts of 30 days, creating YouTube shorts that were AI written. We tweaked them a little bit, trying to see if like we can hack the algorithm. And some of those videos did very well, but we weren't excited about them.
Yeah.
Like they were kind of like, well, we're doing it, but I don't like it. I'm not helping anybody. I'm just kind of like regurgitating information that we're finding on the internet. And for me, that's not exciting. That's not what the objective of my, it doesn't light me up. I like helping business owners make more money.
Yeah.
Great. That's what my channel should be. So previously it was, oh, I'm going to do some videography because that's the stuff I watched. Well, there's way better videographers out there that are on YouTube that can teach you all this stuff. I'd watch them over watching my stuff. I can give you enough to make you dangerous. So watch those guys to learn that. And I said, what am I uniquely good at that people are seeking? Well, it's helping business owners make more money through some sort of marketing. It was growth. So we said 3 weeks ago, this is the beginning of 2025. And we said, 2025, we're getting the channel monetized. Getting the YouTube channel monetized. So we had videos out there. I don't know how many we had. There's no point in looking. Like some of them did well, but most of it was like a stale channel. It's been 6 months since we posted. So the channel was doing nothing. So in 2025, we're going to get channel monetized. And what we had done in the past was post one long form video a week. We said, great. If we keep doing the same thing that we've been doing, maybe we've got better topics that are better for us. We're going to do the podcast style because I like doing a podcast. I like having a conversation. But if we just keep doing one a week, we're going to get the same results. So what do we do? So what can we do?
Not double it.
We said, we're going to triple this thing. We started posting 3 videos a week, long form videos a week, somewhere in this like 5 to maybe up to 15 minutes. But generally it's right around this 10-minute mark because it's what I would listen to on a very specific topic, really speaking to my former self. And you know, you work with me, but like you generally are asking me certain questions of like, when you were here, what did you do? And I'm like, I wish I would have answered this or had someone answering me these when I was there. And so I looked at that and was like, that needs to be the YouTube channel. Let's answer questions to my former self 5 to 10 years ago as I was coming up in business.
You just so happen to have someone that's very similar.